You opened the news app. You read something terrible. You felt awful. And then you opened it again. This isn't a bad habit, and this isn't weakness. Your brain is literally built to seek bad news, and it's been doing this for 100,000 years. Deep inside your brain lives a tiny structure called the amygdala. Its only job is to scan everything around you for danger. Every headline you read gets sent there first. Earthquake kills thousands. Economy is collapsing. New virus spreading. The amygdala lights up and says, "This is important. Keep reading. You need to survive." This is called negativity bias. Bad news gets 3 times more attention from your brain than good news. Not because you're broken, because your ancestors who ignored danger died. The ones who panicked and paid attention survived. You are literally descended from the people who couldn't stop worrying. Here's where it gets worse. The people who built your news app know about your amygdala. Every headline is written specifically to trigger it. You won't believe what happened. This is terrifying. Everything is falling apart. Your brain cannot scroll past these. It physically cannot, because ignoring danger equals death. That's the equation your amygdala still runs, in 2026, on a device in your pocket. So, you keep reading. You feel worse. You keep reading. You feel worse. And the cycle never stops. So what do you actually do about it? Not just stop reading the news. That doesn't work. Your amygdala treats that like ignoring a fire alarm. Here's what actually works. First, schedule your news. Once a day, 10 minutes, that's it. Your brain still gets its danger scan, but you control when it happens. Second, after reading bad news, give your brain a pattern. Interrupt. 30 seconds of something physical. Stand up, drink water, look out the window. This signals to your amygdala that the threat is over and you survived. Third, notice what you actually feel after reading the news. Informed or just anxious. If it's anxiety, your amygdala won, not you. Your brain isn't broken. It's running ancient software in a world it was never designed for. The news app is not informing you. It's farming your amygdala and making billions doing it. Now you know why you can't stop. And knowing is the first step to taking back control.